How to remove the Peugeot 388T9 glove box. Please keep in mind Australia is left-hand drive with the steering wheel on the right. We will start by removing the inner courtesy light. From specifically this side, you'll need to go in and then unclip out of position the courtesy light and then unplug. And then there are two torque screws to the top front of the glove box. I believe these were T20. Next, you will remove the inner cover on the inside of the glove box, and underneath there will be one T20 torque screw. Next, to the side, we'll remove this trim over here, and then there will be a dead plug that you'll need to unplug. And then underneath, we'll remove this cover, which is held on by two clips. And with a clip remover, you can go ahead and remove both of these covers. Once you do remove these clips, there's a torque screw underneath, and then you can pull the glove box out of position. This is how you remove the glove box from a Peugeot 388T9.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you do want to support the channel more, you can always send a super thanks by clicking onto the button underneath the video. Any amount, even the bare minimum, is much appreciated.